Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make an origami angry bird. So this is a three-part series. I have three separate tutorials on them. So make sure you check them all out. The first one is angry bird red, the other one is Chuck, and the third one is the piggy. This video is only for the piggy, but before we begin, be sure to leave a comment below letting me know what type of tutorial you would like to see next. And let's jump right in. To make the origami piggy, you are going to need a square sheet of paper. We have to take your square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally, so it form a triangle shape. Unfold it after that, rotate and repeat the same thing in the opposite direction. So again you are going to just fold it in half diagonally so that it create a triangle shape. Next, unfold it and then align the bottom tip to the center crease. So just fold it upward and crease it in. Turn it around and do the same thing on this side. So you are going to take the top tip and align it to the center. Just fold it down and crease it in. Next, we are going to flip it around again and we are going to unfold this top tip and right over here. We are going to take notice of this line and that we create earlier. So we are going to take this tip and basically fold it diagonally, so that one tip align with the vertical crease just like that, and the other tip align with the horizontal crease just like that, and then flatten after that. You have to repeat the exact same thing on the left side. So again we are going to fold it diagonally so that one tip align with the vertical crease and the other tip align with the horizontal crease. So fold it down and crease it in. After that we have to take this bottom side and align it to the horizontal crease right there. So you are going to fold it upward and crease it in. Next you are going to unfold the crease that you just made, and then you are going to fold it this diagonally so that this tip right here align with this side. So fold it diagonally, align this tip to this side, and you are going to angle it so that the point of this triangle is to this horizontal crease. So fold it down and crease it in, and then you have to repeat the same thing on the left side. The next step is to unfold these two creases that you just created and basically reverse them. So take this and bring it to the back like that, and then flatten, and then of course repeat the same thing on the left side. Next you are going to refold this fold over here, so you are just going to bring it back up, and next step is to take this tip and fold, and the next step is to take this tip and fold it downward as much as or little as you want, and this basically form the shape of the top of the pig head. So you are going to fold it down, crease that in, and after that you are going to round this corner by folding it back. So I am going to fold it back like that, and also like this. You can also round this corner and this corner to make the pig just little bit more round all around. After that you are going to take this step. Actually you are going to curve it inward just like that. So curve it inward like this and then flatten so that the front look a little bit more rounded. Now we can decorate the face. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the other Angry Bird tutorial as well. I have 3 of them like I said before, and it's going to be in the video description. So check it out, all the videos. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you like to see next, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.